New arrivals this week, the 1964 Thunderbird Convertible, Rangoon Red over black, best of show winner, nicely restored example, 390 cubic inch 4-barrel V8, Cruise-O-Matic automatic, very smooth driving car. These things are just heavy enough to be comfortable. You know, we were just talking about that with Nick Waller. By the way, great guest.
Yep.
Oh my God.
Super guest.
So knowledgeable and a British accent. He can just say hello and it sounds cool.
It always fits. It fits the Audrain pretty well.
It does. It absolutely does.
Yes.
It works well with that.